Nazih Group, it's planning to develop all the beauty industry in the region. We are going to do our best to let people come back normal to the business.
Thank you, Mr. Nazih. Thank you, Nazih Group, Nazih-Cosmetics. You guys have welcomed us with opening arms from day one. It's been an honor and a privilege to know that you guys now have welcomed us into your family.
We are very proud to be here. It's also give us the opportunity to meet all of our clients and also to develop more business.
We are really happy to be part of Beauty World Middle East 2021. We feel really grateful to be here, to meet our customer, to meet our business partner. We are back stronger after this challenging situation.
When I heard about Beauty World Middle East 2021 happening this year, I was so excited. For me, this is an exciting opportunity for everybody in the industry.
Beauty World for me is something that gives me a new inspirations, they give me a new power to create a new stuff.